Samsung is happy. What's up guys, it's that time again. Apple is planning the biggest iPhone upgrade since the iPhone X with its upcoming iPhone 14 Pro series, and Samsung will once again play a key role in making this dream happen. Ever since the release of the iPhone X, Apple has been using Samsung's OLED display all the way to iPhone 13 series, and now, for the first time ever, Apple requires an OLED panel with punch hole and with LTPO refresh rate in order to finally move away from the notch design, and guess what? Samsung is the main supplier. And because of this, Samsung will make a lot more money. Now, since Samsung is heavily involved with the iPhone 14 Pro's dream design, we get to see some exclusive news coming from South Korean media revealing some key inside details. According to the news, Apple will apply hole punch display to the 2022 iPhone Pro models. This includes the 6.1-inch iPhone 14 Pro and the 6.7-inch iPhone 14 Pro Max, whereas the non-Pro models will stick with the current notch design. It's further mentioned that Samsung Display possesses the state-of-the-art laser cutting equipment to create the hole in active area which is required for hole punch displays. Samsung is the master of OLED punch hole displays. They were the world's first brand to bring the OLED punch hole to the market with the Galaxy S10 series back in 2019. So since then, they have provided this punch hole panel to pretty much all major smartphone brands out there, and now it's time for Apple. Now, with the punch hole setup, the iPhone 14 is expected to bring a new Face ID implementation. It's also going to have the biggest camera jump on any iPhone in the recent years, because for the first time we could see a possible megapixel jump to 48, and it could also be able to shoot 8K video up to 60 frames per second, all thanks to the Apple A16 Bionic chip with 4nm process. I'm super excited to see this big redesign. It's been a long time coming. Now, next year, Apple could bring back one of the best-selling iPhones, the iPhone SE 3, with some new hardware but with the same design. Once again, the key selling point will be the cheaper pricing. Now, iPhones are great for now, but in the future, in about next 10 years, Apple could replace them with something revolutionary if done right. And before we talk about that, a big thanks to Wondershare Doctor Phone for making this video possible. Wondershare Doctor Phone is an all-in-one super tool for your Android or iPhone. It gives you powerful features like data recovery, data transfer, backup, screen unlock, and more. In fact, this is the first Android data recovery software in the world. Recently, I accidentally lost my data on one of my Android phones, but thanks to Doctor Phone's Android data recovery feature, I was able to recover all my photos, videos, contacts, messages, and even call logs in just a couple of clicks. It supports up to 6,000 plus Android devices covering pretty much all the brands out there. I highly recommend downloading the Wondershare's Doctor Phone Toolkit for your smartphone. My special link is mentioned in the description below. Now, the big bombshell news that's coming from Ming-Chi Kuo, one of the best Apple leaksters out there, he says that in about next 10 years, Apple could replace iPhone by their new AR headset. Yes, believe it or not, this is something that has been in the plans for some time. According to the source, the first gen Apple AR device could come out in 2022, and it could be way more powerful than the iPhone 14 series. In terms of the specs, we could see Apple M1 level chip, a 4K micro LED display, multiple 3D Face ID like sensors to dynamically recognize users' environment, hands, movement, and everything. This product, if done right, could be the next big thing. What do you think about this? Do you think it's possible that this could be the replacement of the iPhone in about 10 years? Drop your thoughts. And last but not the least, Apple is expected to bring the long-awaited AirPods 2 Pro in 2022. This is once again coming from Ming-Chi Kuo, saying that this could be the first buds to have fitness tracking capabilities using built-in sensors, as well as a new chip that's going to improve connectivity with other devices, plus even better active noise cancellation. So that's all the latest Apple news. I've got to say, the biggest iPhone upgrade is coming in 2022, as well as a groundbreaking product that could be the replacement of the iPhone in the coming years. As always, if you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.